Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study accounting. First, grasp the fundamental accounting equation: assets equals liabilities plus equity. Next, familiarize yourself with essential terms like debits, credits, and the different types of accounts. Consistent practice is crucial. Work through textbook exercises and try to apply concepts to everyday financial scenarios. This foundational understanding will build a strong base for more complex topics. Once you have the basics, dive into the double entry system, understanding how every transaction affects at least two accounts. Practice preparing simple financial statements, such as the income statement and balance sheet, to see how information is presented. Don't hesitate to use supplementary materials like online tutorials or practice workbooks to reinforce your learning and tackle various problem types. To truly excel, establish a consistent study routine, perhaps dedicating 30 minutes each day to review. Regularly revisit your notes and textbook chapters to solidify your grasp of key concepts and formulas. Actively work through practice questions and past examination papers. This not only tests your knowledge, but also helps you understand common question formats and identify areas needing more attention. Consider joining a study group. Discussing challenging topics with peers can offer new perspectives and deepen your understanding. Don't shy away from asking your teacher or a tutor for clarification on concepts you find particularly difficult. Remember, consistent effort yields the best results. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy studying!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.